Want to make your slide unforgettable? In this video, I will show you how to create impressive shape overlay effect in PowerPoint fast. Shape overlay are one of the easiest way to level up your slide. They add depth, focus, and professional touch. Whether you are presenting data or pitching an idea, this effect will make your audience insert the same image again. Next, select a rectangle shape, drag it over the image, and remove the outline by setting Shape Outline to No Outline. Align it to the middle. Right-click the shape, go to Format Shape, and select Gradient Fill. Change the direction, choose white color as the color, and adjust the transparency to 100%. Duplicate the shape twice. For the third shape, click on Solid Fill. Choose white color and set transparency to 12%. Select all three shapes, go to Align and choose Distribute horizontally. Then rotate them to 25 degrees for dynamic look. Add the text box you created earlier. Duplicate the slide. Go to second slide, select all elements. Deselect this and shift them outside the slide for a smooth transition effect. Go to Transition, apply the gallery transition to the second slide and the Morph transition to the third slide. On the third slide, select the picture and increase its size for a dramatic effect. Duplicate the slide again. Adjust the picture size to 6 cm and change the gradient fill color and direction for variety. Group the three shapes, reduce their size and ungroup them. Adjust the scale height and position for a polished finish. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create stunning shape overlay effect that will make your slide stand out. Remember, it's all about blending image, text and shapes seamlessly. Love this tutorial? Drop a comment below and let me know what PowerPoint tips you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more quick and easy design hacks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.